Good evening, spirits. My name is Jojo. We're a group of paranormal investigators. I can already sense you. I'm Jojo, this is Ben. We have John, Luke and Charlie. We are here to prove that life after death exists. I can feel you, as I've just said. We have a lot of equipment around. We mean you no harm. None of this equipment will hurt you. As you've already gathered, this one here allows you to say words. You up? We have two mediums here, myself and John, if you'd like to communicate. Yes, we are a team, thank you very much. Myself and John. I'm not rolling on floor, it's too wet. This device here, if you go near it, sets it off. The one with the light, which will give you no harm, you can do it and it will sense you there. The one in front of me is an atmosphere sensor. I have one ball here if you touch it. I also have two more balls up here. If you want to touch them, you can set them off. I already have a sense of a male that stood over there staring at us. Seems very interested. Would you like to come forward and give me your name, please? We are seeking. We're seeking proof. We also have two devices, one behind Ben, one behind myself. If you go near them, you will set them off. I'll show you how that works. Governor. Alright, that don't work. Just proves, doesn't it? Just proves phones don't work.
Phones don't always set them off now, they've got to be transmitted.
If you go near it, it'll pick you up. You can make noises. Tip. Huh. Is that what you call this place, a tip? Can you give me some relevance to where we are, please? What the hell does that say? Be drawn.
What's that about?
The wall's red hot behind you.
What you find is with stone, it does retain the heat a lot more than the atmosphere, so it will be for a few hours because it's been warm today.
Well, there's a fire here. Is that what you're trying to tell us?
And what you've got to think is what direction will the sunlight last, you know?
Allow. We'll allow you.
I'll drop you an inbox, Carl, don't worry.
Mutating. Allow mutating. How's that mean?
Manifesting.
You can manifest if you like. You can use our energies. There's a lot of it around. Fuck me, is anyone else read up?
So judge our horses. Yeah, we've got one horse.
Crying, leave. I'm not crying, and I don't want to leave. Like I said, I mean you no harm. Jesus, I'm fucking burning up. Release. You're more than welcome to come out of it or come in here.
Smoke.
That's just come up with blaze, us, and smoke.
Yeah, but I've just flicked my fag down just right near it as well.
There you are, okay, 2 meters going off. Thank you.
Do you think John's going to set this place on fire?
Bobby. Slip.
Mattress and slip. Bobby.
Accident.
Bobby, was you a homeless person in this building?
Spirit, my name's John. I run a team of investigators alongside my wife, Jojo. There's so much interest coming from down there.
Which way?
Just here. You've got a man and a child, but then you've got a woman who can't even see the man and the child. The man and the child, so you don't even know they're there. Which is weird as shit to me.
Command.
Because you manifest yourself, Spirit. We mean you no harm.
Stanley.
That's a Stanley's reference.
It's sacred, isn't it? So to the male and the child. Quarantine. To the male and the child. And the female, do you want to come in? No.
There's something just round this corner here.
I keep thinking there's something over there.
I can, but I just want it to come forward a bit more.
I don't know, Raven. I'm going to find out, sweetheart.
Is that your name over there?
Continue. Arana. Is Arena? Is that your name?
Ariana.
Ariana, thank you. Is that your name, Ariana? Pale. Don't you do it now?
Yeah. Alice. On the Alice box. Or...
Oh. Oh.
Is it a male, John?
Yeah, but they're telling me very personal things. And certain things have just popped up on the Alice box. My safe word came through that. And it's stuff I don't want to hear or see.
Anything over that side.
Directly. It's telling you directly, innit?
Why do you want to try and intimidate me, can I ask?
Letter. Adamant. Should have been my top. This is coming out with weird.
I know. Light.
Do you want to send him to the light, Spirit?
Under.
Right, we're dealing with something quite negative here.
You think?
No, you don't know what I've just been told.
No, I know you're not, but I can feel it, you know. I'm not
It
saying
is.
I know what you've been told.
No, I'm just saying it's like...
Necessary. Well, it's necessary, whatever it is.
It's showing the images of my head. I'm not going to stand on the fucking ball. It costs 50p, I'm not worried if I do.
Go on.
It's very, very personal stuff that's been passed directly to me. And it's him who stood there. He won't show himself to anyone else other than me. And he's being a prick with me. And he's very, very dark. And he's able to get into my head, which many spirits can't.
Is that why your safe word came
Sack
out?
up, yeah.
And it's not just that, there's some very personal stuff that's just come out. It's even on the equipment, stuff that would get in my head at this moment in time, innit?
Yeah.
Do you think it's that?
No.
No.
Belongs here, this spirit.
Oh.
What the fuck was that? That was a growl. Who growled then? I bet stop being a coward and come and face me.
That's walking.
Footsteps.
No. Accident. Right.
That's twice.
So a face has just come right in front of me and gone. And it was a... Has he got a moustache, John?
I'm going to try and capture him on camera.
Eh?
I'm going to try and capture him. He seems when I go near him and come. Just to try and fuck my head up.
Personal.
Spirit, how come you're only going to talk to John? Why don't you talk to me and Jojo? We're nice people. We want to just...
Jockey's just heard the growl.
Right, come here a bit and look there.
So this is where I'm seeing him, guys. If you can take your screenshots.
Come on, there's a music box there. To the negative energy. Go and set it off.
K2's going down.
Oh, it is. That's going nuts, John. And we've just proved that the phones don't do it.
No, there's no one here. Down here as well.
Me.
Spirits! Can anyone else come and assist us? This man's trying to cause us issues and we don't know what his agenda is. Can anyone help us at all?
Please tell me you heard that woman.
Yeah.
And you said woman's there, Joe.
She's there.
Dominate. Dominate.
Which is what he's trying to do, isn't it?
Right, come on, spirit. Third eye. That's how you use it, though, isn't it? Your third eye.
There's no eyes, man. There's no...
No,
symbols.
there isn't on there.
Fame.
Jenna Stirpot. Industry.
Oh, Spirit.
So go on, then.
Trying to
You
look
can't know what industry what was on this land.
Yeah, I am quite stressed and it's to do with spirit. I never usually get affected like this.
Freedom. Right, spirits, come on, to the mail. Come and contact me.
Or at least tell me what your agenda is. Did you hear that?
Yes. Please tell me you heard that.
Is that not one of you lot?
No.
Oh, that's
Loud as fuck.
K2's going up for again.
Fucking is, it's going crazy.
It's just making me angry.
Spirit, why do you want to make John angry? He's only here to just get your story.
Come on, Spirit, I'll open up. You can come to me. No, no.
There's something that way.
Yeah.
I'm hearing his footsteps. Or just going over the ground like that.
Right, give me the thingamabob.
I heard that. What was that?
Did you not hear that?
I tell you what, let's just have 2 minutes of silence. Spirit, we're going to be quiet for 2 minutes. And we're going to ask you to communicate with us in some way. Try and scare us off if you don't like us. Did you hear the voice?
Yes. That's why I put my arms up in air.
And what it did, it pointed at me and said, "You."
Right.
That was the voice.
What did you want, Jojo?
I'm going to back off from him. Cause
You back off and close off. Speaker.
It's in there.
Yeah, no, I've just had it, but I don't. Over here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Right, Spirit, I'm going to protect John.
They've all heard it saying you when it wasn't for the equipment.
What equipment went off?
I've sensed there's something between them two pills. To me, there's like an energy or something. For some reason, I'm getting it right there. I don't know what it is.
I'll work that one out in a bit. This one. Right, Spirit.
A few people saying it's frozen.
I'm going to block you away.
But you didn't hear that scream?
I heard something.
That was like a scream, wasn't it?
I've just heard that as well.
We can't do headphones, guys, because until we know what's going on, it's a bit too dangerous.
I can't even get this on, never mind fucking headphones.
Do it with just tablets, loud enough.
It won't even come on tablet. Honestly, it's not coming on. Honestly. I ain't that bad.
I'm trying to think.
He's there again.
Hey, just block yourself from him. I'm trying to do something with him, but...
I think it'll build him.
You know, I keep talking, you know, I say, I heard that.
John, it's not working.
You know, I say, when spirits have got like the God complex, it's almost when you've got a few spirits in one location, but one's a lot more powerful. And they just seem to follow and obey this one spirit. And he's even using a godlike name, which is kind of pissing me off a little bit. He's using the name Abraham, yeah? So that's the name you need to be listening for. He's fucking dangerous, I'm telling you.
Right,
What did you say, watch?
to the mail. Block John.
Do we get Luke on with?
Yes, what was this? So to the mail, I've just blocked John. John, yes, I've just blocked him. There is no way that you can get into his head no more. John, I'm joking. Do you want to come and speak to me? This is Luke. I'm Jojo. Could you give us our names?
Say your name now.
Just said Luke's name.
I want his name now. Abraham, acknowledge me now.
There's a witch's laugh on there.
What the hell was that?
Jojo, didn't you hear the witch's laugh a minute
Yeah, I'm
ago?
ignoring it.
Stream.
Who's a walrus? What the hell is a walrus?
Walrus is like an animal, isn't it?
That's me. Are you a walrus? Do you believe you've gone over to the spirit world with a negative energy?
They've all just heard the cackle as well.
Right, I need just one spirit at a time to speak. I know there's a lot of you here. To the male, give me your name.
It's coming again. Who are you?
Right, I can't.
None of the kids picking him up. It's weird. No one will sense him, but none of the kid will pick him up. But he's fucking strong. He's coming at me.
Is this Abraham man?
Yeah, I don't know if his name's Abraham or what, but he's like a god complex person. He's trying to intimidate me.
What's it saying?
I'm not saying it on camera, but the stuff he's saying is very personal. How the hell does he know? Acknowledge me! Tell me your name now!
Right, to the male that's coming from, we'll speak to you soon. I'm going to stand out here for this. Whatever the hell you are.
Just be careful. I think I'm his target.
Don't bother us. Right, can you give me your name? Because...
Ken, look, straight away.
As soon as you said that, Joe said Ken.
Right, so your name's Ken, apparently. My name's Jojo. You say Ken through this device, if that is right?
Pam's here.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Who's the woman?
That's Pam.
I've seen Pam before. Oh, it's cold here. Pam. Go. Right. To the male.
What was that?
To think.
What were it?
Something like bubbling
Something
in the
was hissing
ground.
or something.
Something we're hissing behind these.
Something was like bubbling down here, like a bubbling noise. I heard that.
And as you all know, guys, Luke's a big skeptic, so if he can hear it.
You didn't tread on it,
Pam
did
gone
you?
yet?
No, she's looking after you at the moment.
I was just still, I was holding
Right. I'm not going to comment there. Right, the female that keeps saying get me out of here, please let me deal with this
Oh,
man
no.
first, and then I'll come back.
See, name that's just appeared on there.
No. Oh.
Nick.
Nick.
Oh,
Oh no, I don't believe that. I'm sorry.
Well,
It's in your head. That's all it's in your head.
the only time I've ever seen a spirit as strong as that is when Nick were around. So,
Right. Seriously, spirit, I'm open now. I've unblocked myself. Come on. If you think you can deal with John, where's Ed things? Yep, let me see you. Come on. Nick's a bad person. Where's Luke gone? Nick's a bad person, a bad energy. Don't mess with us. Well, come here. Show me yourself. And tell me what your name is on here.
Do we need to be scared of this, Nick?
yeah, very.
Scared of this, Nick?
Very.
What do you mean you don't want to tell
It
me?
made me stab me send through and live on air. All the way through me on with a pen.
Who the hell's Jim? You tell me who Jim is?
did I just say my name?
No.
Or something?
Right. Jim? Yeah? Why don't you come close to me?
Just something.
Come on, come close to me. I've got a music box there. If you're strong enough, set it off.
Arabic.
I have a ball here. Come and set this off. Yeah, and I told you, John
So
is
we
not
don't
going
want
to
this
speak
Nick
to
out
you.
then?
No. The thing is, right, when I had Nick before, I had to get my mum and several other mediums to get rid of it for me.
Why?
It was that bad.
Give me a reason why you're telling me to go. Heal. Well, yes.
He kind of when I were in Afghanistan, he kind of followed me from there.
No, I'm not scared. Do I look like I'm scared? Until you show me yourself or let me feel you, I'm not going to be scared. No, I don't think so. Did you hear that?
What?
You best be scared of me. Do I look like I'm scared? Come on, bring it on. Come forward. Come and let me see you. Let me feel you. You're that strong enough to get in John's head? Come into me. Spell? I can do your spell. pop one out of my head right now, aren't you?
Hey?
Shadow straight down there.
Yeah.
Fuck me.
There's something manifesting over here.
Who are you? If you're not him.
Are you here, Nick?
Alright, let me give a straight answer.
Well, if it is Nick and that Abraham's a separate character, well, you got double trouble.
But what I'm saying is this Abraham that strong, right, that he's getting into your head?
Right. If someone says to you, here's some Coca-Cola and here's some Pepsi, right, you can always tell Coca-Cola just by the way it tastes and it feels and everything else. That's how I can identify Nick. I just know how he feels and everything else. The other guy is the Pepsi. Nick is a
So
Coca-Cola.
there's two here.
I can feel Nick. I can't explain it, I can feel him in his ear.
Right,
The other
Nick.
guy is maybe empowering it or what, he's probably brought it through. It's hard to say.
Right. What a fucking place to come. Right, you just sit down.
I'm going to get on Ouija board in a bit.
Try not to speak. Well,
Would it annoy him, John, if you called him Nicholas?
No.
well, his name's Nick.
Yeah, just saying.
Right. Dispose. Right, so, Nick, I'm laughing at you, right, not at John. Because if you're that strong, you'd let everybody see and feel you, instead of trying to intimidate John.
I don't believe Nick's here, so
Yeah, come on.
Come on,
Luke
Nick.
don't believe Luke.
I don't believe you.
Jojo. That's not you on the puck.
No.
Yeah, you saw that, didn't you?
I will reset it just in case.
You saw that? Thank you.
Come on then, Nick. Now's your chance to show me. Between.
We just reset it.
Yeah.
Between.
What did you just say? Please explain.
Nick, if you're in this building, what connection have you got to this building?
Thank you. There's no talking up.
You're being watched.
I'm
There's a
being
wooden building
I just had that feeling of being
freaking
watched from behind.
Whereabouts?
Go and have a
Can't
look,
stand
Ben.
there anymore.
Even I'm
Around
scared.
there, there's like a wooden building. It looks like it's been burnt or something. I don't know.
When it's getting from there.
John.
So Nick might not be in the building now.
No, he's in here.
Yeah, he's-
Well, it's like I'll give you an example, right? It's like you've got a central hub where we're all sat, and surrounding us all the way around is different energies, and it's almost like you're in danger area by being in here. Just be careful, Ben. Yeah.
So, so, right.
I know I'm a non-believer and stuff, but I've got some right pumping heart at the minute.
Yeah.
I've got something holding onto my arm, and it's really hurting me.
Well, I want to try something in a minute.
Hang on, it's really hurting me. You're not listening to me.
I am
It
listening.
says danger now on there as well. Sin.
Do you want me to take over?
I'm gonna cry. No, you've got it. I want to know where it is. Give me a rest. This is how it feels. It's like this. It's doing it now, and it's going like that, and it's going stronger. It's like it's fucking gonna break my wrist or something. Right. Anyway, when you were explaining, get the fuck off me. Right, as you were explaining what it is,
Yeah.
male voice came through here and says, "I am back."
Yeah. Exactly.
Right.
It's Brandon's night off tonight, guys.
Right, if this is Nick, this is really Nick. You've got Luke's heart pump pounding. Okay, you're a demon, okay. Show me that you're a demon, come on. If all the grabbing on my wrist is what you can do. Wrist, yeah. Right, well, take your fucking hands off my wrist. Because you have no disrespect, that is very disrespectful. You're not connected to me in any way or form. So why did you come back? Some foreign stuff coming out. I can't stand it.
There's
Some
no one even
emperor.
there, John.
Okay.
Right. Has anyone got Google Translate on the phone?
This is bringing out some.
What would you like me to say in
I want you to convert English to Arabic for me, and I'll call out in it.
Google can't it?
That's what I'm on about, Google Translate.
It's coming out with. I don't understand it. Hey John, never mind. Hey John, I told you to come and speak to me. Whatever this is, I don't care what you say. This is fucking strong.
So,
I'm just getting it up now. Detect language to
Arabic.
Arabic.
right, and I want.
Hello, are you Nick?
Yeah, do that.
Let me read it out.
You can't read English, no mind Arabic.
Well, I'll try. You know your pounding heart?
Yeah.
Explain it, Luke.
Like palpitation.
Yeah, I've got it right now. Are you making myself and Luke feel your energies? Was that on there?
No, that were a fucking voice over there.
Yeah.
You said, are you making mine and Luke's heart pound?
He said
And a
yeah.
woman said yes, and it was clearly over there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You can if you press the loudspeaker thing on it, it'll come out.
Right, oh shit.
You've just been there and there's no one there.
Right, okay.
Hello, are you here, Nick?
Alright, that's
You can put it on the
let's
bottom
do the
one.
round one.
مرحبا هل أنت هنا نيكا؟
Munhaben, hal and huna nick. Well, what the fucking hell's it saying back?
Well, we'll work it out, don't worry.
Come on. What the fuck
What
is that,
the
John?
fucking hell? I saw, oh my god.
So it's him.
It's just clearly giving me the response I was waiting for.
Want me to-
The sly little bastard.
That's cool. I've done as well on the wall.
Yeah, that K2. Look at it. Come on, let me try that one more time. Just unlock it a minute.
مرحبا هل أنت هنا؟
Right. Come on, do that again. John, keep the camera there. Come on.
مرحبا هل أنت هنا نيكا؟
Come on. Marhaban, hal ant una nick. Oh no,
Yeah.
no.
Right, try
Hear
something
that?
for me, So Nick,
On this.
Arabifim, Arabic, LKS.
I said yes.
Arabifim, Arabic, LKS. Yeah. Fuck's sake.
What were you saying?
Tell you in a bit.
What do you mean talk? We're bloody talking. Can you speak English?
You can, yeah, but
This might be one thing to say.
No.
لماذا أنت هنا نيكا؟
Might be people laughing at this. Mada anot huna nick. Yeah, well, what? Right, Nick, I need you to... Don't give me no more. Nick, I need you to speak English to me. I just want you to listen now, that's all. Walls. Walls! John!
yeah,
You see it?
yeah.
Right, Nick, why are you here? English, please.
October. Something
I don't know. What
Right,
month
so-
did we get rid of him last year?
Fucking
We had
powerful,
June on
yeah?
that as well.
We've had June on it as well.
Yeah, we've got all these devices around, and all you're doing is setting off a bloody K2 meter.
Right, I want to go on each board. I want someone on it that
You'll end up hurting yourself.
No, not. Do you want to give it a go, Luke?
I'll give it a go, yeah.
I trust working with you because you're a skeptic, so I trust that you won't do it because you've got to have 100% trust in someone. So we use the case as the resting point. Guys, we are doing each board.
We have some light.
So what we do is it's either one or two fingers, whatever you feel comfortable with, and at day they're going to use your energy. So they may even move your arm as well as the play. So if you feel your arm being pushed, you go with it.
Just go with it.
Yeah, you go with what you feel. And
All right, you're all right, then, don't worry.
So what we do is,
Hang on, turn this down.
it's going to be fucking strong, I know it is. So if you want to come down, mate, one or two fingers on the planchette for me, and do it so lightly that it can be moved. You get what I mean?
Yep.
And what we need to do is, because there's two of us, we need to circle it twice in a clockwise. 1, 2. With your finger on it as well.
Yeah, never take your finger off, Luke,
1,
no matter what happens.
2, and I say, "Hello, Spirit. I'm John." And you introduce yourself.
Right.
Let me do this now. I've got comments to come
Yeah.
into, don't I?
So, do you want to introduce yourself, mate?
Yep. Hello, I'm Luke Spirit.
So I'm going to call forward any spirit, and I'm going to ask you to kindly to move this planchette in any direction. All I'm going to say is just the slightest of movements will prove to me that there's someone strong here. I'm not really a fan of Ouija boards, but I believe this is the necessary piece of equipment for tonight. Could you move in any direction to prove you're there, please? I'm floating if you look.
Perhaps your hand is in the way.
Can you move? You're not doing that, are you?
No.
I don't think Luke could do it.
I know where it's going.
Look at my hand. My finger's floating, look. It's not even touching it.
John's finger is floating, everybody. And Luke's is just slightly on it.
He ain't going to snap the board, Cameron, don't worry.
Number 4.
Why have you took your thing off?
I'm just working out what it is.
Luke, don't take yours off. These are hearing growling.
Is there anyone here that wants to hurt me? You just got to be straight with me now.
You use my energy if you want on it, but I'm protecting myself straight after.
Can you feel that, Luke? The vibration of it. Look at that, look, man. Do you get what I mean? It's not moving without even me on it.
Luke, you've got to be very open-minded when you've
He
done
is. He is doing his. He's using his energy quite a lot.
They'll only drain you, that's all.
I feel like I want to pull you back.
Really.
Goodbye, yellow brick road.
Right.
Don't watch if you think we're fake.
Spirit, I'm going to push it to goodbye. So, can just one of you guys, can you jump on it?
I'll do
Luke?
it with
'Cause
my,
I think my energy is going to fuck it up.
Well, you and John
With my
do it.
fear of it.
No, me
And I'll
and
do
John do
camera.
it. Come on.
Nah, I'm not going back on it. Sorry.
Right, so one,
Probably it's forward, so.
2.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Jojo.
I'm Charlie.
Go for it.
So, spirits, I want you to use my energy. Will you communicate with us? Could you answer yes or no, please? Sure you're very stronger than that?
Cheers, Julie. It's moving, look, straight away.
That's 2 light fingers I can see there.
Hers is floating, look. And hers is floating. She ain't hardly even touching it. It's trying to take you to yes.
Come back.
What are you actually looking for on it?
Can you tell me if we know you? No,
See how
not
violent
myself.
they're going to be.
If myself or anyone in this group knows you. You're not moving that, are you?
No. You can see a finger floating, babe. Yes.
Exactly.
Right, Spirit, I need you to take this hole here to the actual answer.
New moon.
You took your hand off. Sorry. Okay, Spirit. Answer with this hole. Or if you do feel like using this pointy hole. Can you give me the first letter of your name, please? Now. Right, there's a female called Abigail coming through. She needs to. That is fucking a bit freaky. Where are we going?
Yes.
E again. That's the second time.
Is that yes? Can you answer me now? I need you to use. Bring it back. I need you to use this hole as an answer, Spirit. Someone stood behind me, John. Right. Spirit. This hole is not hard.
Did you hear that voice? That was a clear voice. Why are you talking and not coming close? Agreed.
Is there something... Did you hear that?
Yeah. Right, send it to goodbye quick.
Goodbye.
They're trying to get you vulnerable. I won't go back on board for a bit. Can we try something? Luke, you're going to be best for this. Take the Ouija board somewhere.
Yeah.
Over there.
Right.
Put it on something.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say, Spirit, please can you put it to yes? Yeah? Now you go and put it somewhere and we'll check whether it's gone to yes at the end.
At the end of the night.
Does that make sense to you?
So
Just leave it like it is.
Just leave it like it is, just a Ouija board.
Like this. You're all right touching it like that, don't
Go
worry.
and put it anywhere.
Anywhere at all you feel, mate.
We've got that nip down out here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it out there. Are you going to come through, whoever you are, through the headphones?
Did you have footsteps out here?
I thought that was you, John.
No. There were clear footsteps out there.
Right, Spirit.
Fuck me.
Right, Spirit.
You alright?
Yeah, as well.
Has your headache started?
And the same side as well. Mine's here.
Right, Spirit.
Really?
The Ouija board out there. Yeah. The one that you stood near right now. I want you to move that to yes for me.
I can see anything. To me,
It is. There's an energy there.
Ian's on holiday for a week, guys.
it's not the glare from that.
No. You block that away.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to.
That's a tree.
About 6 foot tall. About 5.5, 6 foot tall.
Nick will just show us off the black mask here, Ben.
Yeah. Get it? Shouted Dan. Oh, no, you didn't hear that?
Yeah.
No. Oh, that's interesting.
You can fuck around with me, Nick, but not my team. I won't allow that, especially my missus.
She's easier. She's easy. I like her eyes.
Spirit,
Come and look in my eyes, mate. They're not that nice.
Spirit, you don't want to mess with Jojo because she can send you to a place that's worse than hell.
Just think you can't, 'cause we've tried that before.
Oh, I can. Send lots of love and light to a nasty spirit, can't you? Keep the more fancy away from you a bit. It might be around, but stop worrying.
Let me sit down now.
No.
Stop worrying, honestly.
Feel vulnerable, sat there.
No, I'm not easy at all, thank you. I think you've worked that one out. Just because you pulled my arm and ripped my wrist.
Slag.
Am I a slag, am I? Come on then, you really want to start with me? I suggest you go on then. Because you've, as soon as I've... Oh, will you now?
That's a must.
Fucking slash me. Come on.
I think it's worth it. Nick, if you're actually here, could you say where you'd like us to actually go to see you?
So we believe that I brought him back basically by doing transfiguration in a portal. So, do we reverse it?
No, you're not going on transfiguration.
Do I open another portal
No.
and go back into transfiguration?
No.
No, you're not well enough.
No, he is well enough, just we ain't got the enough here. No.
Well, I'll do it in shop one day this week.
Go ahead.
Is that you then, Nick? That's just said go ahead.
Crawl.
That's just said yes.
Who's that? what you like? Do you know what? I feel horrible because now Nick's here, we're not doing anything with the other spirits. There's a woman needing help and everything.
Well, we'll try.
Right, so Nick, you kind of pissed me off tonight. You've come out, think you're this fucking big man. All you've done is manifest the black mass to me. Right? See, you're doing it again now. You've given me nothing to be scared of you about, in my eyes. In John's eyes, yes, stay away. Likes to fucking swear, doesn't he?
Nick?
John?
Yeah.
Nick, I don't want to talk to you. I'd like to talk to other people that are desperate for help.
You won't get them through. Get my headphones.
You sure you want to do it, Jojo?
Yeah, I'll be right.
Is it going to be safe enough for you to do this?
I'll be right. Fucking hell, I've got a lot of love and light, you know. That's probably
know.
why he won't attract to me, because
I just know if I did it, it's going to fucking hurt me.
That's right.
Yeah, well, don't pull me out if he comes near me. I'll pull myself out.
I'm going to talk very quietly so Jojo can't hear me. Can I ask, who is the main spirit that is controlling tonight?
Spirit, please speak English.
Tell me his name now. Who is the main spirit controlling everything?
Nick.
Fuck's sake. She can't even hear us.
Then a load of Arabaric, fucking whatever it's called. Here. Who's Nick? From a woman's voice.
Nick, tell me why you're back.
No. Yes.
Do you mean any of us any harm?
What? Not yet. You'll see. I'm around.
I've won before. Does that bother you?
Yeah.
So do you think you're going to win this time?
I've just heard that.
That's just said stones on there and then something fucking got thrown.
Here.
Fuck. Who threw that stone then?
So. Me. In a kid's voice.
Is there any other spirits here that wants to communicate?
Me.
Give me names, please.
Dallas.
Dallas.
Da Vinci.
Spirit. Fuck me, they're approaching her.
She's okay.
She's not, I can see Nick going towards her.
There's a lady here, she's really nice. Please help me, she
Nick,
said.
back away, please, now. You don't touch
Come
her.
on.
You leave her alone now. Why? Because I told you. You put it towards me, not anyone else.
John?
Yes. I've just seen a mist. Look, guys, I am not smoking. And I've just seen a mist go towards Jojo.
Spirit, or Nick, why are you here to affect John when he told you to leave before?
That's me. That's Charlie.
Spirit,
John?
Do you want to prove how strong you are? Will you touch Jojo on her right leg? To prove your strength.
What about the whole body?
Fuck me.
Fever. It's hot.
Touch your right leg now.
Ali Moore.
Oh, look, it's going again.
Ali Moore. Ali Moore.
That's God in Arabic.
I know.
Your K2's just flickered as well, John.
Yeah, I need to get her out of this.
Don't
No, if you, I should probably go for you.
Wait.
No, just got to stop this now.
Perfect.
Nick,
We're in a problem though, because if I approach her now, she's halfway through it, it'll fucking hurt her.
Nick,
Energy.
Nick, I've got one question for you. Why are you back?
Ali Moore.
What does
If
Ali-
I go and stand next to Jojo, you
No.
face your energy onto me, not her.
No.
I'm going to have to force you away then.
No. She's fine.
She's not.
Nick, what do you think about John coming to collect his wife?
Mine. Leave.
No.
She's fine.
Nick, John doesn't want you anymore.
Belty. Ali Moore. What the fuck is Ali Moore? Someone had to find out what Ali Moore is.
Spirit.
Yeah, can I just tell you, I've got one of my spirit guides here, and I've got lots. I've got my eyes closed, and I've got lots of energy. I'm not going to lie, I think Nick's here.
Spirit. Remember how clever you are?
What does Ali Moore mean?
Jojo can't hear or see me. Tell her what arm I'm lifting
Yeah.
in the air.
Yes?
Tell me what arm I'm lifted in the air.
Ali Moore, right.
Right.
John,
It's hidden by safe search. I'm not allowed to search it.
This arm.
Really?
Yeah, no.
So it's a dodgy word.
Yeah.
You've got
Ali
safe
Moore.
in
Whisper it,
Can you say safe
Jojo.
search?
Um,
how did you spell it?
That's it, whisper it. John.
So I'm going to pull forward from the north, east, south to west. I'm going to pull forward any spirit guides, loved ones, protectors.
Here.
Anyone that cares about any person in this vicinity to come round and circle us off for protection.
Here.
I need you to push away any entity that's attached to Jojo now.
Ali Moore.
Come forwards now!
Stop. I'm
Just for the viewers, Ali Moore meant explicit results.
Leave.
explicit.
Fucking idiot!
Then what, like?
Then I can't say it.
Yeah, it's saying, Pam!
No fucking way. Look, guys. Look. Move. Pam on the box.
Heartbeat, shut up!
I heard that.
What the fuck?
Who the fuck's that?
That's his spirit guide, and when she comes, you know it's not good anymore.
But I said you were here earlier.
What's behind you?
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Rake. Well, we all like a rake.
You're not fine. Right.
Can we check the Ouija board?
Oh yeah, give me the badoo. Where is it?
On the wall.
No, it's still the same. Yeah, it's still where we left it. That's good. That's a good fucking sign.